kids love these Funfetti birthday pancakes. They're filled with sprinkles. They're so good and so easy to make. Hey, I'm Fuentes, and on my channel, I share all the kitchen things that moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more. This recipe is super easy. You start out with your favorite pancake batter. You can make it from scratch by adding flour, baking powder, salt, sugar into a bowl, and then add your egg, milk, a little melted butter, and vanilla, whisking it really well and mixing it until you have a nice, thick but smooth batter. Or you can use a pancake mix that's complete with water, or the ones that you have to add milk and eggs. The key is that now you have pancake batter and we're gonna turn it into birthday pancakes. We're gonna make our pancake batter taste great and give it that yellow coloring that's so classic to yellow birthday cake. For flavor, we're gonna add vanilla to our batter, and we're also going to add yellow food coloring. I'm gonna start out with 2 to 3 drops and fold that in. Now I'm pretty happy with this yellow for my cake part. And now I'm going to add my sprinkles. These are your classic rainbow sprinkles, and we're gonna add them straight into the batter now. And with these, you just want to gently fold them in. You can cook these in a pan or a griddle like I'm gonna do. I'll cook these over medium heat, and once my griddle is hot, I'm going to grease it and pour about 1/4 cup of pancake batter per pancake. I'm gonna wait about 2 minutes. You'll notice that their bubbles are forming throughout. You can still see the sprinkles and the edges are nicely defined. Now I am going to flip them over one at a time in the same order that I pour them in. And they're gonna cook for another 2 minutes on the second side. And you'll notice that the tops are nice and puffy, and these are good to go. Let's take them off and put them on a plate. We're gonna stack these nice and high, top them with some whipped cream, some more sprinkles. If it's someone's birthday, go ahead, add a candle, light it up, and celebrate with these. Everything you need to make these birthday pancakes is gonna be in the description box of this video, and if you love pancakes, watch these next. See you next time.